Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. This video is in collaboration with Small Creator Sunday, and this is hosted by Tiff over Brogal Aesthetics, co-hosted by Favi over Arrows DIY, and Six Kids and Glue Gun. I'll leave the links of their channels in my description box as well as the playlist of all the participants. The theme is Baby Love. So let's get started. I started by having a piece of a cardboard and I used the lid of a cookie can and then I drew the border and I just drew like a half circle and then I cut that half circle first and then I started drawing to get the shape of a crescent moon. And I tried to cut this with a scissor. Obviously it didn't work out, so I went ahead with a box cutter and then I got this crescent shape using the cardboard. And now I'm going to use this baby blue yarn that I got from Hobby Lobby for $1 from a long time. It was lying in my craft stash, so I'm going to twine basically around the crescent moon. I'll start gluing the top part with the hot glue and then I will start twining it around. And when I reached the end of the crescent moon, I'll just stick it back with some more hot glue. And there we have it, the blue crescent moon. Now I'm going to use this garland of flowers which I got from the coastal section of Dollar Tree, and I'm going to pull out the flowers. Each one is like a set of two flowers, so one small and one big. So I'm going to couple them together and then bend it into half and have a dab of a hot glue, and then I'm going to bend it again just like so, and I'm going to stick all over the crescent moon just like so. And I'll keep on adding all these flowers and I'm going to fill the whole of the crescent moon. And we have all the blue flowers filled in. Isn't that pretty? I already love it. And this is one of the orb that I got from Dollar Tree. You might have all seen it. I'm going to stick it on top of this orb just like that. And I have this blue marbles, and these marbles are from Dollar Tree again, and I'm going to stick all these marbles where they have the dimensions. So I wanted to give like a planet look to it. Hopefully this works out. I'm loving it already. The blue marbles and the blue flowers together, they're looking very nice. Don't you think? After I stuck all the marbles, this is how it looks. I'm so much in love with this, and this star is from 4th of July sign. I just plucked it out and I want it to stick on top of the moon like that. And there you have it. This is the final reveal of the Baby Love project, and I'm so excited and very happy how this turned out. Like you saw the process, I used one of the cardboard piece and I cut in half moon like so, and then I just twined it up with one of the baby blue yarn, and I stuck this beautiful blue flowers from a garland. I used that coastal garland from the coastal section of Dollar Tree, and I just stuck, like you saw the process, I folded it twice, two of the flowers, and then I stuck it all around the half moon. And this is one of the star that was found from 4th of July Decor section, and I just plucked one of the star from that, one of the signboard that I got, and I wanted to attach it to go along with the moon. And this is one of the orb. You might have seen this from Dollar Tree, and those marbles, light blue marbles, are going exactly with the blue color flowers, and I just stuck in all the dimensions that I see on the orb. It looks like the baby is, you know, floating in the moon with star and one of the planet. That's the look I wanted to give, that he's in a la la land. And this baby is one of the toy that my daughter used to play. I basically stole this toy from her toy box. She's not playing with them anymore, so she's grown now. So I thought I would decorate him on top of the moon like this. So yeah, this is one of the project. Isn't he cute? I just love him. So yeah, this is one of the beautiful project I'm very much happy with. So I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me. So let me know your thoughts on this. So as I always say, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, please do consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.